Well, today is the day, and this right behind me, this is what we're doing. This is Disney's Yacht Club Resort. A few months ago, I did a video on the beach resort, kind of the sister resort to this one. Yacht and Beach Club, they call them in conjunction. But this is Yacht Club. I've not been to this one for a few years. I'm not staying here. Just here, thought I'd check out the property and see what they have to offer, see what it looks like. This is the Princess Half Marathon weekend, as you can see here. They've got a schedule of events where you get picked up if you're involved in this. I did the half marathon Star Wars weekend back about, I don't know, 6-7 years ago. Never have to do that again.
Architecturally speaking, the layouts in the lobby here are almost identical between the Yacht Club Resort and the Beach Club Resort. Yacht Club has more of a New England, classic New England yacht club vibe versus the lighter, airier sort of beach vibe at the Beach Club Resort.
This is the main pool area for Yacht Club. Okay, so since this is yacht, if you look over that side, just through those trees there, the lighter colored buildings, those are actually the blue colored buildings. This is gray. The blue is Beach Club. So that shows you they're actually almost attached basically to one another.
Because I did put sparkles on.
This is one of the courtyards outside the back, one of the back exits of Yacht Club. Now to further orient you, when you walk out of the back of Yacht Club, dead ahead you can see one of the man-made lagoons. That on the far side is the boardwalk. All the different stores, and again, I've done a full video on the boardwalk last year if you want to check that out. Straight ahead is the lighthouse where they have the water taxis pick up, as well as on the far side they have pickups from boardwalk. And if you follow this walkway all the way around, eventually you'll get to the back entrance of EPCOT. So that is walking distance to the back entrance of EPCOT and the Skyliners as well. So like I was saying, I've never stayed actually here at either the yacht or beach resort. The yacht, of course, is what's directly behind me, but it is a beautiful property. They have great amenities, just like all of them. I've been here a few times, just on property, checking out what they have, eating in one of the restaurants, that kind of thing. But it's a great place to come. It's one of the higher end resorts here at Disney World, and I highly recommend you stopping by and checking it out. And like I said, it's great. It's close to other amenities, like I said, like Boardwalk. We're basically right here just across the pond from Boardwalk. You're within walking distance of the Skyliners, which can take you to other resorts and other parks, including Hollywood Studios, and we're also within walking distance of the back entrance of EPCOT. So it's a very convenient place to stay, depending on which parks and which amenities you're looking at getting into. Also, if you walk out on the pier that leads to the water taxi pickup, you can see that we're also located next to the Swan and Dolphin. Just ahead of me there is the Swan, or excuse me, the Dolphin, and if you pan over here, you'll see the Swan right there. So very, very close. This is one of the pool amenities here at Yacht and Beach. Like an old galleon that's seen better days. And it is an absolutely beautiful day out today. There's not a cloud in the sky. It's about 68 degrees. The high is only going to be 70. There's a cool breeze coming in just off the water, but not cold. I've already lost the pullover that I was wearing earlier, and it's just absolutely glorious. Again, these are the days that Floridians live for. This is what we put up with 9 months of 90+ degree weather days for days just like this in February. It's perfect. Come join us. This is Hurricane Hannah's, which is the waterside bar and grill. This is what's attached to the pool area for Yacht and Beach. Just to clear it up, I keep talking about Yacht and Beach being the same property. That's Yacht and that's Beach. See, it's right here together. So when you exit out from behind the pool area, which is right behind us here, you come right out here, they actually have a makeshift beach area. You cannot access the water, you're not allowed to get into the lagoon there, but it does have a sandy beach, as well as what appears to be like deck chairs over there for lounging and sunbathing, things like that. And I've made this comment before, but please pay attention to these signs. They are not here for no reason. And as I was pointing out, that is the boardwalk just across the lagoon there. All right, I'm heading back inside to where it should be the main lobby from the exterior backside entrance that I came out earlier. Well, that's it for a quick walkthrough of Disney's Yacht Club Resort. Thanks for watching, liking, supporting the channel, all that good stuff. Come check this place out. It's really, really nice. And I showed you earlier all the amenities and the convenient location. So see you next time. I'm done here.
We're done here.
I just got attacked. So,
We're done here.
yeah. Bonus footage of Walmart, because who doesn't need bonus footage of Walmart? I'm actually stopping over here today to pick up a new album. Hopefully they have a copy of it. There's a special cover on Ace Frehley's new album that was released actually yesterday, and I'm gonna try and see if they have it here. It's they got this lenticular cover. The name of the album is 10,000 Volts, and it's from what I've heard of it so far, it's a really, really good album. So let's go in and check out, see if it's actually here. Here we are back at my favorite place. Yeah. Well, that's the extent of it. That's all they got. And it does not look like they have it. Well, hey, at least I got something for the trip. It wasn't a complete waste of time. Okay, so my love affair with Walmart continues. They did not have the album, the exclusive cover, and all that. One of these days, you think I'm going to learn that they're just not going to have the product that they promote. This reminds me of all the way back in 2006 when Paul Stanley released his solo album, Live to Win, and I went to my local Walmart, which was stocking it, and not only was it not on the shelves, I looked all over the place for it, wasn't there. Then I just happened to glance down into a shopping basket that they were using as a stocking cart, and at the very bottom there was one copy buried under like 30 other things, and I just happened to find it there, and it was on the day of release. So that's my love affair with Walmart and new releases. So there you go.